Guys, so it's been about a year since the release of the third generation Echo Dot, and this is the newly refreshed model, Gen 3.5 if you will, and this is actually called Echo Dot with clock, which just came out last week. And honestly, I have never used smart speakers before because they didn't really appeal to me. I mean, my phone can do most of the stuff that an Echo can, so why do I need it? But at the same time, this does look like a cool piece of tech. So I thought to myself, why not give it a try? So anyhow, without further ado, let's take a look at this new Echo Dot with clock. Okay, so here's the close-up view of Echo Dot with clock. Right now, this is only available in sandstone color. The last year's model, there were 4 colors: sandstone, charcoal, heather gray, and plum. But so far, it's only available in this color. And the last year's third generation is $50, and this year's, the 3.5 gen with clock is $60. So there is a $10 difference in price tag. Okay, so let's start the unboxing. Let's pull this little tab. There's a little Amazon logo right there. Okay, here's the actual Echo Dot. I'm guessing this is the manual. I mean, the setup process should be very simple enough. And the charging brick. Fairly simple. Alright, so let's take this plastic off. Alright, so there is 4 buttons on the top, and the side of this kind of feels like fabric, and this kind of reminds me of Google Home. Okay, so let's set this thing up and let's try some features. Once you open up the app, it's gonna automatically detect the new Echo Dot, and you can just follow the instructions. So now I'm just following the steps on the Alexa app, and right now it's connecting to the Wi-Fi. So it's connected and it's now set up. So this setup process is very simple, as you can see. Now the setup process is complete. Okay, so you can see this LED clock in the front, and this will actually show you the time, outdoor temperature, and timers. Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 49 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 41 degrees. By the way, I'm not sure we've met. You can introduce yourself to start personalizing your Alexa experience. Would you like to try it?
Alexa, set a timer for 5 seconds.
5 seconds, starting now.
So this LED display actually comes with a light sensor, which automatically adjusts the display's brightness during daytime or nighttime. And if you own a second pair of Echo Dot, you can use these as a stereo sound system, which sounds actually pretty nice. And also there's this button on the top which turns off the mic. If you're concerned about your privacy, this is a cool feature. Okay, so now let's try asking some questions. Alexa, do you have any pets?
I don't have any pets. I used to have a few bugs, but they kept getting squashed.
Alexa, what is the value of pi?
The approximate value of pi is 3.14159265358979323846226. Phew! I ran out of breath.
Alexa, I've got 99 problems.
But a glitch ain't one.
Alexa, how much do you weigh?
I am weightless, like a cloud. Wait a minute, clouds actually weigh a lot. So that's not quite right. Let's just say I'm more sass than mass.
Alexa, do you know Siri?
Only by reputation.
Alexa, rap for me.
Hey there! Glad you stopped by. I'm your virtual assistant, your cloud-based AI. YouTube. Anytime you're game, get organized, or be surprised, just say my name. I've got timers, reminders, alarms, lists, Bluetooth calls and messages, jokes, songs, stories, games.
And last but not least, this is my favorite feature of Echo Dot. Alexa, turn off the lights.
Okay,
Alexa, turn on the lights.
okay.
Okay, so that's it for this review, and if you're interested, I'll put the Amazon links in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.